Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. People, I reach 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers. Thank you guys. We are now celebrating 500 subscribers, 500 plus subscribers. A big thank you to all of you guys. We love you, we appreciate you, and just look forward to bigger and better. Moy and Matt. Thank you. Peace out. How people picking that cry? Hello guys, welcome back everybody to a brand new day. People, we're on vacation since Monday, since 3 days now. We're on vacation. Normally every 6 weeks here in France you get 2 weeks break holiday from school. So with the pandemic and all that is going on at this moment, MAIEAH in a car coming right now, Connor. Do some MAIEAH. Excuse me, people. You see why I'm saying if I pack up with the bank? I'm sure no. This is what I have to deal with. Miss a ride with her baby and the baby all a drop out. You have to push the baby down in MAIEAH so the baby won't drop out. You go stay in the corner right now, here. Ali go. Stay in the corner. And I was saying people every 6 weeks you get 2 weeks holiday break from school here in France. And with the pandemic going on right now, the government or the president decided to lock down the country, put everybody on holiday. So the whole France, they're on holiday. The full France is on holiday as we speak. No school is keeping nowhere. Bonjour? Unless you are essential workers, as in police, nurse, fireman, doctor. Bonjour. And all these type of people. So you will be going to work and your kids will be going to school. Allez, on va traverser la route. Allez, go, 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 go. Doucement, MAIEAH. Jamal, you can stay in front of your sister because she's going to ride the bicycle on you. MAIEAH, maintenant tu restes à côté de moi, d'accord? Woo! Alright, people. Jamal, stop. I won't tell you no more because we're going to cross the road again. Before I slick me down, we're going to cross the road again. Okay, my darling. Later, people. Alright, people. We finally reached the park. So we're on that 2 weeks break holiday. So we enjoy ourselves before time comes to go back to work or to school. So that pretty black cat, MAIEAH want me touch him, but I tell her no because I don't know if he wicked, if we scratch her or what. And the park empty today, people. Not a soul not there except we. I guess everybody's still at home having lunch or whatever. Yes, hello?
Hello.
You see my big girl ride her bike to the park today.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, everybody see the cat already. Say hello.
Sure.
And people, you see my hairstyle. I washed my ear last night. And I can't wear it all. Go back. Look there. I like to say, look flat and slay. I don't know if I do my edges, that's why my edges stay so. But I go learn. Well, I'm waiting for my friend now. She's coming. So let's continue to enjoy this vlog. And I'll see you all later. So I don't know what she's trying. She said she wants a cat for her birthday. Her birthday is coming up in a couple of months. Yes, MAIEAH, but with Ola, how are we going to take care of a cat?
Il faut le mettre à la SPA.
So we're going to carry Ola go a dog pound just to get a cat.
Ou soit l'abandonner.
We figure abandon Ola to get one cat, MAIEAH?
Oui.
That's how much you love cats now?
Ou soit on met le chat dans une grande cage. Une cage au moins grosse comme ça.
You don't want me to put in one cage? Eh? You want to put in one cage and you live in one cage?
Et je lui donnerai à manger, à boire. Mais les grands chats, par contre, ils mangent de l'eau. Ils boivent de l'eau.
And what else?
Et ils mangent des croquettes pour chat. Et voilà. On aura acheté des croquettes pour chien et des croquettes.
Then you have money to buy cat food? Bomba. Tu sais that boy on a bicycle?
Alors pour mon anniversaire, je veux un chat.
Alright, so me say if you have money to buy cat food, the croquette pour the chien. You have money to buy croquette pour the chien? Pour the chat?
Non, j'ai juste l'argent de la petite souris. 6, encore 6 et encore 6.
Yes, but the amount of things you take buy with that money, it finished already, Maya. That money is finished already.
Je peux avoir de l'eau,
More magic.
s'il te plaît.
Come, Maya. Maya, you have to convince me a little more for me get a cat for your birthday. I can't believe this 5-year-old pitney try to convince me to get her a cat. Je dis, attends.
De l'eau.
More magic. More magic.
S'il te plaît.
Alright, people. I just saw one of Maya's friend mother. She asked him back for my number because she asked him if Maya can come to her house to play with her daughter one day next week. I don't really do them something to people unless I know the people I'm good. Not even I know the people I'm good. You know, nobody can't trust nobody. But you want to see them they play nice and everything until her, yes. It's all depend on which day because next week we have plans. But you're going to see me next week when she call me and tell me say X, Y, Z, whichever day. I have to go come up with one excuse and tell her no, we're busy. I pray to God that whatever day she call me, I have something for sure because I don't really like tell lie because lie always backfire upon people. So hoping that is either she don't call me or the day when she do call me, I have something doing so I can tell her no, not today, maybe some other time. Although Maya's birthday is coming up as we just said. I'm going to invite the little girl because the more picnic invite a birthday party and the more present the picnic again. And since Maya's gifts list so long with beer foolishness, even though I try to broke her out of there little baby something there. I was thinking about more bigger things for her even though she's just going to turn 6 years old. So give me some idea of some gift for 6-year-olds that you think would suit my baby girl. I already think of buying a mannequin head because she loves cane and try comb hair and all those. She can't cane but she like comb hair and all those things. So I bought her a mannequin head with almost the same kind of texture of her ear that later on in the future she can comb her own ear herself. Things like that me like buy for birthdays or for gifts for children because it kind of help them in a way. Jamoy, come down. It kind of help them develop. So things like that me like do. But if you ask her what she wants, she talk about Frozen this, Frozen that, Barbie, what not, all those craps. Anyway, she have whole heap of Barbie. Like in the Frozen, she already have a mannequin head, Frozen, Elsa head. You know them ear, they're synthetic ears. Every time she come, the ear not stop draw out. And she have one big Barbie doll or one big dolly baby, the same size as her. Although she may be a little bit taller than the baby now, but she dressed the baby in her fair clothes and when she grow out, and she put on shoes and everything for the baby. One life size dolly she have. But I was thinking about things that can help develop different from gaming and all that because they have a whole heap of gaming and tablet and then things. I mean, really, yes, it help develop mind, but you know, them nowadays they don't think they slump and tablet every day is play. I mean, I want to really push them in that direction. So, I was thinking about, I don't know, but something for a 6-year-old. Help me, you can comment down below and tell me what you think or suggest gifts. Who is here? My friend is here. That's her son on the bicycle. I'm eating right left his mother. I wish she had got cloak up so. My friend is from Senegal. Now you're gonna meet my friend. I always talk about my Senegal friend. Now you're gonna meet my friend. There you go. Dig a green ear like Jamoy. Diego there, Diego and Jeremiah. Best friends from Wapikil, fill up then two boy. Yeah. No, not Jeremiah, but you're on.
Non.
Mais Maïa, arrête de pleurer, arrête de pleurer.
Non, mais il va pas le prendre.
Oh, Mimi. Diego dit coucou.
Diego, enlève ta veste, il fait trop chaud.
Dakudak.
People say them favor. Come here, Diego. Viens là, Diego. Viens là. Dis-moi, mets-toi à côté de Diego là.
Non.
Oui. Viens. People say them look alike. Viens là, dis-moi à côté de Diego.
Tu es venu en vélo ou pas?
Qui?
T'as en vélo, toi?
Non, c'est que Maya.
Non, mais toi aussi, t'as un vélo.
Dis coucou, Awa.
Woo!
This is my friend from Senegal.
From Jamaica. Not from Senegal.
Yes, from Jamaica. I can't wait to take her to Jamaica.
Ah ouais. Moi aussi, je t'emmène au Sénégal. Hein.
Ben oui. Peut-être l'année prochaine. Look, find a dry land tourist over there. So. Ah, Jeremiah.
Tes fesses, ils sont jaunes.
Tell Jeremiah, say, but I'm white. But I'm yellow. Laisse-moi voir, Jeremiah. Jeremiah, mets-toi à côté de Diego. Jeremiah, mets-toi à côté de Diego, s'il te plaît. Allez, vite.
Je suis à côté de Diego.
Non, Diego, attends, Diego. Attends.
T'es Diego.
Oui, mais enlève ta casquette. Enlève le chapeau. Arrête, Diego. Enlève le
Ah ben
chapeau.
voilà. Là, ça c'est mon porte-chapeau maintenant. Puis maintenant.
It's one of my 8-year-old. Not in the same class, but in the same grade, but not the same class. Stop.
J'essaye un truc, c'est très dangereux.
People swear to take my brother. Worse them at this
Mais il y a 100 personnes qui l'ont fait.
biracial picnic with long hair. Everybody think my brother. Everybody think my brother. What no? Two best friends picnic. And she. Awa, you have to have a daughter, so Maya, she can have a friend to play with. There we are.
Maya, elle va être trop grande parce que if I have a daughter, Maya have what, 5 years old? Non, il y a trop de différence.
Mais c'est pas grave, tu fais maintenant.
Quoi? Regarde Maya.
Move your head now. Move your head, Maya. Look. Wow.
Tu peux tenir.
This bring back all of childhood memories. Like when I little bit and I go to basic school. I used to climb up on the monkey bar, go way up on the top, and one time I couldn't come down. I come down for people see me because I'm not supposed to be up here.
Moi, je descends tout le temps à l'envers.
Ah ouais? Mais moi non, hein?
Mais sur le lit de Gemma, je descends un peu à l'endroit.
Ah bon?
Je descends comme ça des fois. Des fois, je descends comme ça, sauf que comme ça, tu peux voir tes pieds. Sauf que comme ça, tu peux pas voir.
Park full of picnic now. More picnic reach a park, so the park full of picnic right now. Full of picnic. Who now play football? I play something else. Ça va, Andrea? Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, click that notification bell so you won't miss a video. And we catch you all in our next video. Bye bye.